legs. Look at those legs. What's up, y'all? So I'm back at it again. We are in Lake Conroe today. So Margaritaville just opened. They have the land shark and everything, and I heard that it's pretty dope. So we're gonna go check it out. Why don't y'all come and ride away with me? Entrance to the cove of Margaritaville. We're gonna go check it out. Go to Land Shark. The water is very low right now. Alvean, make sure you eat. There you go. So I need that bag. So cute.
How did Margaritaville make them forward?
I am so hot right now. Oh yes, I did. Don't play. I may not be a guest here, but I will be. Guys, look at this SUV seat. I've always wanted to get an SUV because look how much space they have on it. And the compartments they have in the back. Oh my gosh. Is there a compartment in the front? Oh, nice. Okay, a big head. Alright guys, who doesn't love a sunset type of ride? Because this girl does.